Hi, I am Umar Razaq and I am excited to show you Scribo, a smart AI powered meeting assistant built using AI Studio and Gemini 3 Pro. So, how many times have you struggled to take notes in a meeting or keep track of action items? Scribo solves that problem by automatically transcribing your live meetings and summarizing key points, decisions, and tasks. So let's move further and see how it works. Here I can just click the start meeting and it will just start recording my mic, and as you can see it will here start recording, and we can move it to system audio plus mic, which we will obviously use for our live meeting. Basically our main purpose is to record system audio. So here you can see that it's using our voice and converting it to line by line as I am speaking, because it's just on. And let me off it so you can see it stop recording, and you can later download it here, download a summary here. So you can use it for decisions. It saves your hours of not taking. Thanks for the watching.